Alright guys, Supersonic Ida here. So we're gonna do like a kind of a walkthrough through this game because I kind of feel like it. So let me upgrade. Okay, I can't do that yet. But let's beat this dude. Level 2, let's go. Okay, so that didn't really work. So you need to get a spine. Okay, so let's upgrade that. Alright. Let's get over here. Alright, that should do some damage. Barely did anything. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I'm just gonna warn you now, there will be ads in this video, so I suggest you just skip to further, but let's go. I hate Greenscapes, honestly. They have too many ads. Alright, let's go. Done. How many things do I need to press just to get to them? Okay, alright, there we go. I hate that you have to pay for no ads. But I'm gonna go to the shop. Yeah, everything's money. Alright, let's go. Oh, right in the middle. And I'm still wondering how this guy isn't dead yet. But oh, so you can max the car can max out. Oh, the car's kinda. Yo! Oh, we beat it. Okay, so let's upgrade those. Alright. Down in the leg. The leg's probably the best part you would want to shoot. Alright, we got an ad. Remember, if you just want to see gameplay, just skip the ads. Okay? No one likes Coin Master. We don't even... Who knows what Coin Master is? Alright, there we go. Coin Master. I'm gonna have to start looking for games that don't have ads. Alright. I leveled up the car and look at here. Alright. So let's... Ooh, right in the stomach. I don't know how the pump... Oh yeah, the pumpkin head. I forgot what it was. Okay. In the leg. Yes. Oh, how is it still alive? It should be falling to its death right now. Yes. And we got a kill. Yes, sir. Alright, we're gonna get that. Alright. No. Upgrade. Okay. Math. Ooh, we gotta... And there we go. Whoa! Okay, that was unexpected.
Don't play this game at night. It's super creepy. The game is stay room, and your objective is to survive. You and your friends have 20 seconds to find an empty room and hide from
I don't
entities.
Like that game, actually. It's kind of creepy at nighttime. I wouldn't really suggest you play it. I don't want to. I want to play my game. Alright. Upgrade those. It didn't even do nothing. Okay, well that's something. There we go. Oh, come on. You need to get the middle right there. Okay, so we need to... Yo, why is this showing our undies? That's kind of stuff. But we defeated it. Alright. Well, we got Robot now from Futurama, I'm guessing. Ooh. Get its arm. Coin Master. Apple needs to make an update for a no ad update. Like my cellular data, my Wi-Fi's off, so it shouldn't be generating ads. Or is it clickbait I found on TikTok and YouTube? You don't really trust all that stuff, as I've learned. Alright, let's get back to this fight. Alright. Ooh. It's crunching. Boom. This is gonna be harder than I thought, but this is only level 5. Alright, let's go again. Ooh. That's not really a difference. These games are kind of satisfying. Okay, we got a claw, but I want to...
No Wi-Fi games.
I don't like the game. Okay. Alright. We're gonna swerve. Get through there. Oh yeah, so we got the body. And we beat the boss finally. That should have been an easy defeat, but okay. I need to get up there sometime. Okay, I landed in the water. Alright.
Hey, move it!
That would have been easy, but okay. Okay. Wasted. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow my TikTok channel. Okay. I'm not doing too good with this game, but I'm trying. Ooh, straight in the leg. You need to get straight in the leg again.
Don't play this game at night. It's super creepy. The game is Stay Room, and your objective is to survive. You and your friends have 20 seconds to find an empty room and hide.
I don't care. Ooh, the tail too. How? Yo! Okay, we got the tail off. It's gonna be harder than I thought. We keep missing. How's it still alive? Ooh, we need to get that arm off right there. 99 burgers. And why is it using a ring sound from Sonic the Hedgehog? Honestly, these mobile games are trippy. I hate them. Alright, let's see if we can beat this boss. If I get that leg, then I'll be able to. Okay, we're doing pretty good. Oh my gosh, I am flabbergasted. Some way too strong to be beat by those. Well, okay. Ooh, that's it. Not gonna win.
Best no Wi-Fi games.
This game is getting old. Flipping crap. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
And that's my grandma. Alright, let's get him, let's get him, let's get it, let's... I'm disappointed in myself. This is not even a strong shot. Okay, that did some damage though. I found this game on one of the YouTube ads and I thought it was pretty interesting. The only bad part about it is the ads. And I'm completely missing. Dude, what character is this anyway? I'm still figuring out if I'm still alive. Even though I did mass damage to it. Okay, we got the leg and we beat him.
Hey, move it!
I don't like that game. Only people with Class S permits would be able to do something like that. Alright, let's do what the... Oh! Hey there. I wonder how this would work. Okay, so we got one head. Three more heads to go. What? Good hit, good hit, good hit, good hit. I think we kill them if we get up their head.
Don't play this game at night. It's super creepy. The game is Stay Room, and your objective is to survive. You and your friends have 20 seconds to find an empty room, and
Soul Reaper went berserk. I don't get it, but I don't want to play it. But even though it's not my time. Get back. Okay, the mass has been met. I'm about to ram into this. And what is that? I should be concerned about that. Push straight through. Ah, so the heads do hurt. I just look like a very mean version of a Pokemon. Like a dragon version of Diglett. Okay. This is an interesting game, even though I don't like it at all. It's boring and it has ads. Alright. Okay, don't die. Simple. Boom! That dragon down. And that dragon just died. For no reason. Okay. Level up. Let's see what car I get. I got a monster truck. That's crazy. We got Pennywise now. Right straight through his heart. I did barely any damage to this dude. Boom.
Best no Wi-Fi games.
Alright. Dodge those. Hit him. If we can get through his chest, I think we can win. This monster truck's spicy. But why are his insides blue? Alright, we got a chunk of his insides out. Ooh-wee. No damage. Bro took no reaction to a whole nother level. What's the thing with
Hey, move it!
anyway? Parking lots in New York be like. So if you're wondering, I changed my new YouTube name to Supersonic Ida because I feel like my older one was kind of trash. Okay, so we're not really getting him at all. He should be dead right now if there was physics in this game. Our acceleration. Ooh, okay, so if we keep hitting him in the stomach inside there, I think we'll be able to beat him. Swerve. Alright, now we have a perfect spot. I wish they'd let us rotate him so we can see where we need it. It's like what his insides is filled with water. What the heck? What's that? You guys, if you did skip that, I'm glad you did. I'm scarred from that. Why would they even make games about that? Kids are on phones, you know? If you don't want games like that anymore, please subscribe to my channel. Alright, we're getting close to beating this Pennywise dude. Almost there, guys. Almost. Yes, we got him. The rest of his body just followed him. Okay. We got a meditating alien now. Bro, I'm sorry. Same thing. Middle. I want to play the game so bad though because it looks so interesting, but at the same time it's really not. But why is the alien meditating in the first place? I guess there are some good aliens out there. Yo, where are those come from? Alright, one of his hands are down. Now he's defenseless. Why? How does this have to do with Gardenscapes? I don't know what, how, but skip. Okay, skip. How many taps does it take just for me to skip an ad? Stupid. Alright, so now he's completely defenseless. There we go. Easy alien. Oh my god. Giraffe now. Did they just call it a giraffe? Maybe we can get its head. I wonder if the head I'll have to do anything with it. Let's shoot for its head. Okay. Swag, swag. Well, it gets harder. And you know, I'm gonna download this because I like games like those. Those are cool. But just skip that stuff right now. Move on. If needed. Bro, I'm not trying to... No. Okay. Like I said, head. That was kind of strong, I can't lie. The jaw blocked my whole plan. So we're gonna stop this video at 10. So once I get an actual PC where I can play games and stuff without having to use an Apple recorder, and at the end you see this screen. Oh wait, this is level 10. Anyway, when you see the screen at the end with the recording button, then probably more people will view my videos. But I just took a whole chunk out of it. Oh my gosh. Don't play those games, okay, kids? Can't even skip an ad. It's like it wants me. No damage at all. What? Well, got this job. Oh, it's foot now. I think this game really needs to put this.
That? No Wi-Fi games.
There we go. pet should be off right now. I suggest you download this game though, I'm just saying. Just a reminder, please like this video, subscribe, and I'm telling you, if we do more content, we'll be in way. I'm telling you. I just need the motivation.
Don't play this game at night.
George was
It's
playing
super
this game,
creepy. The
Peppa
game
Pig,
is
he would
stay
die.
room, and your objective is to survive. You and your friends have 20 seconds to find an empty...
This is not even a good looking game. It's probably for emo people. Sad people only game. How? Why sound like the Bluetooth coming for a minute? Oh. Yeah, I don't think we're beating this guy. Bro. No. Yeah. I like the fact that they took meteors. How deep is the water? And its head is off. Then what's wrong? Oh my. Oh, I thought I won. I think I need to get his leg.
Hey, move it!
I have to get an ad right when I'm about to encode the video. How long do I need to wait? Like seriously, how long do I need to wait? Let's get this game. We should be dead now. Alright. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you guys again soon. Toodles.